Well, I'm curious, what would you do if you won this?
If I won $60 million, I think you might be watching the Amani Channel come Monday.
All right, for the record, my name is Amani Channel. I'm a media professional. I worked at TV stations across the country for 20 plus years. So, I don't even know where I want to begin. I was watching a video tonight. I think it was on YouTube. It was like a commercial. And I see a lot of commercials where like the folks don't do the fundamentals. Like, if you're going to make a video, just do this or that for real. Like, I'm going to try not to cuss, but y'all are disrespecting my craft. I mean, for real, y'all are just, for no reason, not even thinking about it, not even researching. Just ask some basic questions. What should you use if you're making a fucking video? What kind of gear should you have? Okay, you should have some light. Have some light, all right? Have some light. Don't let me just, oh my gosh, turn all the lights off. I'm not going to do that. But just use some light, all right? Even if it's a table lamp or a desk lamp, use some light for God's sake. See, for Christ's sake. Don't make me cuss. All right, next thing you need to use is a microphone, all right? For real. It's going to be a USB microphone, like this Audio Technica. It's a good ass microphone right here for like about $100 you can get going with this microphone. That's a good ass. That's with like the popper stopper, windscreen, probably a boom arm, all that shit. All right. Or else, you know, this is a Rode NT USB mic. All right. Use this. Get a mic like this. It's all via USB. Giving up game now, y'all. Giving up game. This is a broadcast quality lavalier microphone. All right. A lavalier microphone is XLR. They call this XLR. These are condenser mics. These are very sensitive. All right, very, very sensitive. You should not blow in a mic. Maybe snap your fingers. That's about it, for real. All right, don't damage the mic. Don't be stupid. Say no beatbox, bitch. Don't even do that. And as far as the microphone goes, you run the microphone up underneath your shirt to the collar, but you just clip it on like that. All right. Lavalier microphone. Run it underneath the shirt though. All right. This is a cardioid mic right here. This USB microphone. I believe it's unidirectional, meaning that it picks up sound from one direction. But there's also omnidirectional where they hear sound everywhere. There are shotgun mics. You've seen a shotgun mic. This is a hypercardioid, meaning that it picks up a narrow field or a narrow scope when the way the microphone hears your voice through a narrow range, through a narrow band. All right, rather than omnidirectional or cardioid, which is like in front of the mic. But yeah, you got to know something about mics. All right, just a little bit. Just know that you should use a mic. Do research about what mic you should use. If you're using a mobile device, use a smart lav with a adapter to the iPhone, or a dongle, as a lot of people like to call them. Man, I'm giving up too much game. Anyways, that's enough for now. I'm babbling. But man, y'all are fucking up the game, man. Just don't disrespect my craft. Can I just say, just don't disrespect my craft. Put some thought into it before you make a video. If you don't just say, you know, we can figure that out too. That's it. I can help you with that. All the above. All right. Talk to you soon. Sorry to rant, for real. So sorry. Amani Channel. Video fearless. Peace.